when you run your campaign, you'll be able to see the campaign performance on your dashboard, on your campaign dashboard. When you click on the overview button, you'll see the number of plays that your campaign has had. You'll also see the estimated reach for the number of plays that you had. You'll see the amount that you've spent on your campaign, the credits that you've spent on your campaign. You can drill further down into how the campaign had performed by clicking on the Performance tab here. Once you're on the Performance tab, you'll be able to see the graph on how the campaign played. So in this instance, I picked the date range of 23rd of April to the 30th of April, and the campaign had played 272 times on the 25th of April. If I click on the bar, you'll be able to see the number of plays by the hour on the 25th of April. Now, if I go to the boards, you'll be able to see which of my boards are playing and which of the boards that are not playing. Now, each of those bars are interactive as well. You can click further into the bar. For example, you've got this 478335 Lamar board. If I click into that, it'll tell me on the 25th how many plays I had on that particular board. So you can see that on the 25th, I had 101 plays. If I click further into it, you can see by the hour how the ads played out. You can see, for example, between 11 and 12, I had 8 plays, and between 1 and 2, I had 15 plays. I can also see the cost per play. Now, on average, on the 25th, I spent about 48 cents per ad play, and the max that I spent was $1.14. If I click further into it, it'll give me by the hour how it panned out. So you can see that between 8 and 9, the average that I paid was 88 cents, and the max that I paid was 88 cents again. On the between 10 and 11, the cost per play was on average 30 cents, while the max that I paid was 47 cents. You can see the way you're spending on your campaign across the hour when you click further deeper into those bars. If you click further in, it'll give you a further breakdown of the ad plays. You can also download the performance on the as a CSV file by clicking on the download button here.